This tutorial demonstrates how to carry out the Baermann technique. You will need a glass funnel, gauze, a funnel support, approximately 15 centimeters of flexible plastic tubing, clothespins or clips, and a wooden tongue depressor. Begin by placing 5 to 10 grams of fresh feces on a double thick piece of gauze. Use the tongue depressor to break up the feces in order to allow the larvae to exit from the fecal mass. Now fold the gauze over into a pouch and fix it to the tongue depressor with a clothespin. This will allow you to have a good support of the sample in the funnel. Place the sample inside the funnel, making sure not to plug up the neck of the funnel. Close the plastic tubing with a clip and fill the funnel up to the top with warm water. Let the Baermann apparatus stand for one night. The larvae will exit the fecal mass and fall through the warm water to the end of the plastic tube. Now you can open the clip and collect approximately 10 ml from the tube into a Petri dish and examine the sample under a microscope. Under the stereo microscope, larvae are easily observed by their rapid movements. However, in order to see their morphological features, add a few drops of Lugol's iodine solution. If you do not have a stereo microscope, you can collect 9 mL of liquid from the plastic tubing into a conical tube. Centrifuge the sample for 3 minutes at 1,500 RPM. Then carefully pour off some of the excess liquid. Place a drop or two of the sediment onto a glass slide and cover with a cover slip. This sample can now be examined under a routine optic microscope. This is an example of a heavily infested dog with Angiostrongylus vazorum. Also in this case, in order to examine morphological features of the larvae, add a few drops of Lugol's iodine solution. This is an example of a first-stage larvae of Angiostrongylus vazorum. We thank Dr. Catabiani for her kind collaboration.